The Council for Scientific and Industrial Research is trying to shape the future of young mathematicians and scientists. The organization has hosted a group of pupils from 7 high schools who wanted to find out more about different fields of study in science.
About 300 students from high schools across the country have seen what it takes to be a scientist at the CSIR. They learnt about career paths ranging from natural resource science, biochemistry, human resource development and defence. The researchers also taught them about their work in the field of safety and security. They say science has continuously changed the world as we know it.
So these are mathematicians, natural scientists, engineers, technologists who do what they like, but what they like translate into a reality that is better for ordinary people, and that's what ignites the passion of being a scientist.
The aspiring scientists couldn't hide their excitement.
I really like to design new things, say a new microscope or something, and see how the things work. Also, I really like maths and science.
I would like to go into information technology and electrical engineering because I like developing stuff, using my hands to build stuff.
The world deserves better things to live in. I want to be an electrical engineer.
I want to be an electrical engineer because I love science and maths and researching.
The CSIR also offers specialized scholarships to students at university level.
So I hope today you're going to see a whole range of different disciplines in science and engineering, and it can help you decide what it is that you would like to do in future. And I hope all of you by the end of today you're going to decide to become scientists, engineers and technologists.
Really good to see them interacting, to kind of see their inquisitiveness, asking questions. I've had a good time seeing them, kind of be excited about science.
Bioprocessing, which is the area that I work in, is considered to be a scarce skill, not only in South What but worldwide. So it's not a very common area for people to get into. But so we need to basically get the message across as to what does it encompass? How do you take a microorganism and how do you get a product at the end? What goes into the actual research and development and the thought processes into delivering these technologies? So we needed to let them know that it's not science in isolation. It's not just looking behind a microscope and looking at these microorganisms. It's understanding them, how do you grow them, how do you formulate them, and then how do you apply them to give you an actual solution to a problem.
This day has taught me a lot about science. I was not a person who was really interested in science, so yeah, now I'm interested in science. So I would say this is a great initiative.
So I hope that today when you walk away from the CSIR, you feel inspired, you feel encouraged, you feel committed to taking a career in science. It's not dull, it's not boring, it's fun, it's exciting, it's useful, and it's very fundamentally meaningful and fulfilling to people as human beings.